back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... As remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector and in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so this recipe is so easy to make and it only needs 2 ingredients. So I'm going to get right into it on how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of hand sanitizer. I'm using this kind. You guys will need any type of thick shampoo. I'm using the VO51, one of my favorite brands. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in, a mixing tool, and very optional, you don't have to use this, you can use some food coloring. So this recipe is actually what made my channel kind of get popular. It was my first video that ever hit 1 million views. So I thought I'd put a twist on it and show a newer way on how to make this, and it's way easier on how to get this right. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my shampoo into a bowler plate, and I'm going to get mixing this up for about a minute or 2. Okay, after enough mixing, this is basically going to be the glue base. Technically, it's just soap, but for this, I'm just going to say it's going to be like glue. And now you're going to get the activator out, which is the hand sanitizer. You do not want to add so much of this into the soap because this will melt it down and make it not work. So you only want to put a few drops into here, just like that. And now I'm going to get mixing it up. And you may add some more shampoo into here because it may kind of get runny. So I'm going to get doing that now. So now I'm going to add in my food coloring into here, and I'm just going to put a dot of this. I thought I'd make a green slime because I haven't made one in a while. So let's get mixing this now. That looks like just enough mixing, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my lid onto here and put this into the refrigerator for about 3 hours. Every 30 minutes I'm going to take a look at it and make sure it's working. If it looks like it needs more shampoo, add some more shampoo, and if it looks like it's too thick, you can even add some more hand sanitizer. So I'll see you guys in about a second when this is all done. Okay guys, about maybe 3.5 hours later, here it is, and look, it cleared up so much. Look at this. Wow, it looks so good. Let's get seeing how this no glue slime recipe is now. And whoa, I love the color. Let me zoom in a little bit. I feel like it was a little blurry. It's quite sticky. That happens a lot with hand sanitizer slimes. But look at this. Oh my god. It's a little bit runny too, which again happens a lot with hand sanitizer slime recipes. So I'm just mixing it up now. I can't get over this color and the quality on this. Like, this is such a nice slime, and I'm so happy I added food coloring into here because this is such a pretty green color. It's quite foggy now, but you can see it's clear like that. And this recipe is so awesome. It makes my hands feel really clean as well, so that's really cool. Remember, don't add too much of this because alcohol does melt in the refrigerator or freezer, which I always say in my recipes, and people are still like, oh my god, like, this can't work because this can't freeze. Well, obviously it's not freezing if it has soap in it as well. But this recipe is a huge win-win for me. I really hope you guys like this recipe. I wanted to make this video super quick and easy for you guys to try out. And if my comments are turned on, make sure to comment down below if it worked, and if they're turned off for some reason, which they've been happening a lot to me, please comment on my community page. I will upload a post when I post this video. And comment down below that if this recipe worked for you. That was a lot for me to say. But this recipe was a huge win-win. I'm so happy it worked for me. Hand sanitizer slime will always be one of my favorite no glue slime recipes just because I feel like I've perfected my recipe on this. And it might not be the easiest no glue slime recipe to try out if you're a beginner with it. But definitely for me, it's one of my favorites. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I've been loving uploading no glue slime recipes for you guys for so long now. I feel like I've been doing it forever. It's been about 6 years. But this is one of my favorite no glue slime recipes, and I really hope you guys enjoyed making this. And if it didn't work for you, please remember to try maybe another easier recipe because this one can be kind of hard to get right. But yeah, remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace. Remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes, and remember to check out all my social medias. They'll be linked down below. Bye!